Hey guys, got a 2022 plate Toyota Corolla here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. So on this one we're going to use the dashboard in front of the steering wheel and the buttons on the left hand side of the steering wheel. If you do find the video useful, please give it a like, and if you want to see some more helpful content like this, subscribe to the channel. Right, so from here we want to scroll to the right, keep scrolling until you get to this menu, and then you want to scroll down until you get to vehicle settings, then hold OK, and then it says TPWS, tyre pressure warning system, and then you want to hold OK again. And first make sure your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures, and then you want to hold OK on set pressure. Setting tyre pressure warning settings, and that's it.